We'll remove the control panel in 2 steps. We'll start by disconnecting the hoses from the gauge and the 2-way selector valve. We'll then disconnect the 3-way selector valve from the front of the panel and remove the panel. So to begin, we'll remove the clear hoses from the gauge using a 3/8 wrench to push back on the green ring and pull out on the clear hose. Repeat the same process with the lower hose. And we'll repeat the same process twice with the 2-way valve. Once those hoses are disconnected and pushed aside, we'll turn the machine and we'll disconnect the handle from the 3-way valve using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the handle, place it somewhere where it won't be lost. We'll next disconnect the valve from the control panel using a 3/4 wrench. Remove the retaining nut, place that somewhere where it won't be lost, and the valve can be pulled back through the control panel. Once the valve is pulled back, the control panel can be removed with the 4 screws on the front. Be careful not to lose the washers. Place the screws and washers somewhere where they won't be lost. At this point, the control panel can be pulled clear of the machine, and that's removing the control panel.